Tucked in the southwest corner of Weld County, you'll find a unique opportunity to live close to Denver, Boulder, and DIA while having almost 5 acres to stretch out and enjoy country living. Just 5 minutes off of Highway 25 and Highway 7, this property has a lot going for it, and being perfectly positioned at the end of the road with no traffic, you'll love the peace and quiet. Entering the nearly 3,000 square foot home, you'll appreciate the care and thought that has gone into this home. With 5 bedrooms and 3.5 baths, there is room for the entire family. The spacious eat-in kitchen leads to the open great room and eventually to the second-story living spaces. The basement, almost completely finished, has another large bedroom and a second family room. But the real story is everything else. Enjoy the indoor-outdoor party room, hot tub, and the additional oversized 4-car garage. Next, you'll find the expansive 1,500 square foot industrial-type workshop and storage building, complete with mega shelves, RV-sized door, and 3-phase electricity that's separately metered. This property is set up perfectly for a number of home-type businesses, or just a great place for all your toys and vehicles. 2 additional sheds help store even more. With perimeter fencing, bring a few animals, or have chickens and those fresh eggs you've always wanted. It's hard to believe you can have all this and be less than 5 minutes from any number of shops, restaurants, grocery stores, and so much more. If this is the life you've been dreaming of, please contact Dale Smigelski or John Pomig